Already recording. Alright, so first you got to get your 310 flat spline and then your screen. The door is 3 foot, so you cut yourself a piece of screen, 3.5. Give you some extra room. There's a curve and a flat side. The curve is on my thumb, the flat side's on my finger here. The curve is gonna face the opening. The flat side is gonna touch the metal. There's a C channel in here. So you want that round to be in the C channel there. Another thing on the door is it's pretty common. It's a little bit harder grooved than the regular patio metal. Sometimes it looks like it's not in all the way, and that's because it ain't. So you take your roller in your right hand, screen in your left, spline in your mouth, hold it up here, give yourself a little pre-roll, take it out of your mouth, you tuck that round side into that C channel facing the opening, give it a start. Now it's started, you just run it. Give you a cut. Using a Stanley box knife with the wheel attachment on it. I like the wheel to be on the right side here on my hand. Go to Ace Hardware, ask the old man there, help you out with the hardware so you can put your nut on there. Same thing, pre-roll it, start it, get you a roll. You can do longer rolls when you're rolling your straight side. Give yourself a little relief cut there. Give you a pre-roll. Hold your fingers there. Hold it in. Roll it in. Now you got to pull tight every 6 inches here. Come back. Pull tight. I like to have the spline in my fingers there. You're setting yourself up for success, leaving it by the middle. Then you just trim it. You can trim it here in the door. Here's an example of where it's not in there all the way. You can see up here it's in. Here it ain't. You got to shove that in there. Then you just use the grooves in the door. Run your blade along the metal there. All right, we'll do a good little example right here above the doggy door. No explanation, just watch me run it. See, when I did the top and the bottom, you kind of pull tight down here. Run your right side straight. Now you got to pull tight on your left. You're always running one side straight and then pulling on the opposite. Keep it tight. You just use the metal as a guide. It's going to take you a while. I got about 10,000 hours, 10 years. That's how you do it.